This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Permissions and Data. Click on Permissions and Data. Then in the Permissions section, right down here, Notifications. You want to click on Notifications. A little dialog box will pop open. Right down here, it says Block New Requests asking to allow notifications. If this box is checked, you're blocking notifications. If it is not checked, you're allowing notifications. Up here, you might have some websites listed in here. This is, as you can see, I have this particular website set to block, but I could click that drop down. I can change it to always ask or allow for that website. Down at the bottom, I can click on remove website to remove that website. If I had several websites in there, I can click on remove all websites. Then you would go down to the bottom and click on save changes. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.